Hi, and welcome back to The Layout. Today we're at the La Mesa Model Railroad Club in San Diego, California, and we'll take the next few minutes to look at modern mountain railroading over the Tehachapi Pass. So for the next few minutes, enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. This is a westbound BNSF manifest which runs between Barstow and Richmond, California. Here, it rounds the curve at the Tehachapi Loop, and you can hear the dynamic brakes as they head down grade towards Bakersfield. This is part of the Union Pacific Mojave subdivision in Southern California, and it's common to find both BNSF and UP trains on the line, as BNSF has trackage rights over this portion of the railroad. We're just west of Waylong Siding and downhill from the Tehachapi Loop, which you can see in the background. The train will continue down grade until it meets another eastbound freight at Bealville. We'll catch that in just a few minutes. We're just down the line at Bealville. Here at the siding, the dispatcher is holding an eastbound freight to meet ours as it makes its way down the mountain. This is a loaded BNSF coil train headed for Pittsburgh, California, and the heavy steel coils require helper locomotives on the rear to get it over the steep 2% grade over the mountain pass. just west of Allard Siding, and the train will continue down grade through tunnel number 1 and into the famous horseshoe curve at Caliente. We're just to the west at the small mountain town of Caliente. Here, the dispatchers lined another eastbound opposing freight into the siding to await our arrival. This is Union Pacific Manifest between Roseville, California and West Colton, California. It has 3 GE Union Pacific locomotives on the point. The train now enters a steep and narrow canyon just west of Caliente. This is one of the last portions of the grade before exiting the pass and making its way towards Bakersfield. Just up the mountain from this location, we catch the Union Pacific MRVWC one last time, as the dispatchers cleared it out of Caliente siding to continue its journey up the grade towards the Tehachapi Loop. We're at the siding of Illman, and the engineer will take the train out of dynamic brakes as it successfully made it down the 2% grade and off the Tehachapi Pass. Here it'll continue towards Bakersfield and points west. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the section below, and I'll see you next time.